Hey future scientists, welcome to today's session of 3D questions from STEAMspirations. Today, we're jumping into the fascinating world of kinetic energy and how it powers different mechanisms around us. I'm Mr. Lara, here to guide you through the practical application of energy in everyday devices. If you're new to this topic or need a quick recap, our resources are at your disposal to help you get up to speed. Let's explore how kinetic energy is utilized in various settings. In today's experiment, we've lined up several devices that use kinetic energy in different ways. Bicycle pedals churning, a person pedaling a bike to move forward, water wheel churning in a stream, water flowing pushes the wheel to rotate, drumsticks striking a drummer hitting the drumheads to produce sound, Ferris wheel rotating at a fair, a motor turning the giant wheel to carry passengers. Here's your task. Think about how each of these devices operates and consider the primary type of energy they use. Here's your question for part A. Which examples primarily utilize kinetic energy to achieve their functions? A. Examples 1, 2, and 4. B. Examples 1, 3, and 4. C. Examples 2 and 4 only. D. Examples 1 and 3 only. So go ahead and select your answer and then proceed to part B. Here's your question to part B. Why is your choice from part A significant for understanding the use of kinetic energy? A. Kinetic energy involves movement, essential in these mechanisms. B. Recognizing kinetic energy applications enhances predictive capabilities for mechanical performance. C. Kinetic energy is a fundamental energy form in systems involving motion. D. These examples show how kinetic energy can be converted into other forms of energy. Engage with the experiment. Consider the role of movement in generating kinetic energy in each device. Reflect on how this energy is crucial for their functionality. Think about the energy transformations that occur and why understanding these can give deeper insights into the applications of physical sciences. This session is designed to improve your understanding of kinetic energy and its applications across various technologies. By exploring these examples, you'll gain a better appreciation of how kinetic energy is harnessed and transformed. Remember to jot down your observations, analysis, and conclusions in your Level Up workbook. This exercise will not only enhance your scientific skills, but also prepare you for more sophisticated inquiries in energy science. Keep tuning into our channel for more exciting content. Let's keep exploring and uncovering the wonders of kinetic energy together.